Hello everyone, myself Susmita. I am from PCS Global Java team. Today I will discuss basic introduction of Java. Let's start. Java's background. Java is a popular programming language. It is just a name, not an acronym. It was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the year 1995, later acquired by Oracle Corporation. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. The history of giving behind the name Java is very interesting. Java is an island in Indonesia where the first coffee was produced, called Java coffee. It is a kind of espresso bean. Amazingly, most of developers loved coffee, and Java name was chosen by James Gosling while having a cup of coffee nearby his office. Important key facts. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is also a platform-independent programming language. More than 3 billion devices runs Java. Java is secure and powerful. It has huge community support. Java is used to develop mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, database connection, so on. Some real-time example where nowadays Java is being used. Netflix, Twitter, Spotify, Acrobat Reader, IRCTC website, etc. Thanks for watching.